A control valve is a vital piece of equipment for controlling oil and gas operations. But today we're going to talk about a small component that may be even more important, a pressure pilot. In this video, we're going to cover what a pressure pilot does and take a brief look at 4 common types of pressure pilots. A pressure pilot is used to monitor and control pressure upstream or downstream of a control valve. It does this by pneumatically positioning the valve to achieve your desired set point. A pressure pilot is almost always used on a high-pressure control valve package. Valve packages like these allow producers to effectively control their oil and gas separation equipment. Here are a few of the reasons energy producers rely on Kimray pressure pilots. The first is the durability that is synonymous with the Kimray name. The pressure pilot was one of Kimray's first innovations. We use only the highest quality materials, and our products are manufactured right here at our headquarters in Oklahoma City, USA. Another reason producers like to use our pilots is because of their modular design. We provide packages for pressure regulation that can be customized to your needs, whether you're holding back pressure on separation equipment or reducing pressure for your compressor. Components in the pilot can also be changed out to adapt to various operating pressures or different modes of action, like indirect or direct. Finally, we provide material options like steel components and various types of elastomers to help keep your operation running regardless of your production conditions. Kimray offers 4 main series of pneumatic pilots, which can be used to monitor the upstream or downstream pressure of a control valve and can also be used in either back pressure or pressure reducing applications. Designed for lower pressures, the diaphragm-controlled low-pressure pilot will work in any application between ½ an ounce to 20 psi. The diaphragm-controlled high-pressure pilot will work in any application between 10 and 300 psi. The Kimray bellows-controlled pressure pilot is versatile and easy to use in several applications. Part of its value is that it can act in either direct or indirect mode, and it can be converted to operate at a vast span of different pressures, from 75 to 2500 psi. A pressure differential controller is used in applications where you need to control a difference in pressure across an orifice plate. This controller has inputs for both upstream and downstream pressure. Those 2 pressures work against each other with a spring in the pilot, which controls the difference between the pressures. Note that all of our pneumatic pilots can operate emissions-free when you use nitrogen or compressed air as the supply source. If you are ready to incorporate automation into your operation, you can also check out our electric pilot. The electric pilot can be used with any electric actuator to automate a control valve. The pilot takes an input signal, like a pressure or a timer, and outputs a signal to an electric actuator. It offers a ton of versatility and can be used in back pressure, pressure reduction, pressure differential, gap control, suction control, or as a timer. Manufactured and assembled in the USA, Kimray pressure pilots are certified for use in North and South America and most areas around the world. Pneumatic and electric pilots can be built with NACE-compliant parts and can be certified with documentation upon request. Hydrostatic testing and material test reports are also available upon request. We have distribution centers in the US and international distribution partners globally. Reach out to your local Kimray representative today to explore how we can help solve your control challenges.